Hello, this is Jim Grady with Applied Technology. I'm a campaign director with adzzoo, and today we're going to review how to do a pricing quote using the adzzoo pricing calculator. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go into uh, www.adzzoopricing.com. When y'all get involved with adzzoo, you're going to get two sites to run your business. You're going to get your adzzoo.biz site that you use to promote the products and services that we offer to the local business owner, and you're also going to get your adzzoo.net site, which is the site that you're going to use to manage your business and manage your back office. But in addition to that, you get this site. This is actually a very valuable tool that will make it very easy for you to calculate uh, a competitive campaign bid for a variety, any niche that you can imagine within a geo-targeted area which you live. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and we're going to go in and actually do a campaign. So let's go through, and I'm going to go through to the pricing calculator. When you get there, you're going to see this screen, the way it sits today. What you want to do is go through and type in, or click on pricing calculator, and this is where you're going to log in. You're going to type in, whoops, you're going to type in your username and password that you use to get into your back office. I cannot type and talk at the same time. I'm challenged. Let's go to log in, and then when you get in the back, you're going to see the screen. Where we're going to go first, and we're going to focus on this part. We're going to do a quick quote, and this is it. In the screen, you'll be able to really type in a variety of different industries. So select industry classification by entering keywords. So let's assume that we're going to be a new car dealer or a used car dealer, and we want to focus on that. So I'm going to start typing a new car, and see as you start typing, all the different industries will come down underneath that. So this best fits our need and a niche as being a new or used car. So I'm going to click on that. Now let's say you're a Ford dealership and you really want to be more targeted, more focused. So in this line, you would type in Ford dealership. Now what this does for adzzoo and for your dealer, this identifies the SIC code, which is the standard industry code for this particular niche. So in pricing the campaign, we now know when we're going out and digging into all the data that in that niche and in your geographic area, we're going to be focused on those sets of keywords. The other thing that we do, we're going to focus on the services. At this point, this is an internal number uh, that's set up by adzzoo. You want to leave that at 2. As far as the term options, this is where you're going to pick how you want to show the pricing to your prospective customer. You can do just a 12-month campaign, 6-month, 3 months, monthly payment options, 3, 6, 12, or all. Typically, I choose 3, 6, and 12. The other thing that I do, if they have a website online, I always pick include custom art fee. What that does, it takes a mirror image of their existing website, and we create a digital hub and we brand their business within the adzzoo platform. So customers and clients coming to our site or through our site will believe that they're on the client site, and then we will drive traffic to their existing into their specific niche based on what they want to be competitive for. As a new car dealership, they can focus on new cars, used cars, they can focus on service. That'll be all set up in a different part of the campaign. Here's the other side. You can take and choose to do a campaign based on a radius of your business, or you can do a multi-state campaign. And typically in our questions when we're talking to the business owner, I'll ask them, you know, just in general, how far do your customers travel to get to your business? And if they tell me 10 miles, 20 miles, 30 miles, I know how to effectively reach the audience that they want to go after. In this case, let's assume they want to do a 30-mile radius. I would just click 30 and click here. If they want to do 30 miles from Phoenix, Arizona, downtown central Phoenix, I would type in 85003, the zip code. You can see your city come up, click there, and calculate. Now, this is pretty cool. Within seconds, what we've done, we've actually mined down into the internet. We've looked into the local area, 85003. We know that we have a 30-mile radius, so we're geo-targeting that audience. And we also know exactly what industry code that we're in. And the other part of it is we look into seeing how much competition for those specific keywords and industry keywords are in there, and we can come back with an accurate pricing analysis for this specific niche, for this specific zip code, and then calculate that out. This is important for the dealer or for any business. You're going to adzzoo provides this information to where within this 30-mile radius in Phoenix there's about 3.8 million people. So you're going to reach 3.8 million people 24/7 through the life of this campaign. You're going to hit 86,000 businesses on a monthly basis or 1.2 million households with your message coming at you from all the variety of services that adzzoo does to drive traffic to your digital hub. And to do that, there's you can make a 12-month commitment. They can make a 6-month commitment or a 3-month commitment to take care of that campaign. That includes a setup for the custom art fee, which is a one-time fee. It includes a setup for the web presence, and then thereafter they pay $5.49 a month to manage this campaign to reach this audience, geo-target it on a daily basis. So that's really the back office and how it works. If you want to go back and change, let's say this dealer wanted to do a 50-mile radius or say a 60-mile radius. It's just that simple. You go back and change to 60 miles, click calculate. In that 60-mile radius, you're going to hit approximately the same amount of people because 30 is right downtown Phoenix, and you'll see the campaign one just a little bit to reach the additional 500, 600,000 people on a monthly basis. So you reach more people, it's going to cost a few more bucks. That's just the way it works. So in that case, from doing a regional campaign, you can do it this way. Well, let's say a dealer had dealerships in Arizona and California and Nevada. They want to do a multi-state campaign. You would click on this. This would be a custom campaign. You can click the state. You have Arizona, California, and Nevada. Hit calculate, and you in turn have done a multi-state campaign that's going to reach 45 million people, 1 million businesses, or 15 million homes. And to get that reach is going to cost $24,000 a year or $2,200 a month. Again, based on other forms of advertising that are out there, print or otherwise, this is the most highly targeted form of advertising that you can do. And we've done several multi-state campaigns at adzzoo for customers of ours that have seen the value of this type of advertising. So, uh, and getting back to the campaign quote, this is a very easy tool to use. Um, you can get in there. I recommend that you go in and just give it a test drive. Um, use some existing businesses that you know or that you're involved with, and just type in the industry codes and just get a feel for it, and print it out. But for now, that's it. That's all the training I have today for this pricing model. If you have any questions, you can go to webwidetechnology.com. That's really our training center for our team, and you'll find additional videos on how to do um, other functions within the adzzoo platform. So for now, that's it. We'll talk to you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.